What's going on, slot car enthusiasts? It's your favorite ProTinkerToys employee, Magic Mack, here to tell you about Auto World's new set, the Blues Brothers 106 Miles to Chicago, SRS 359 right there. Okay, let's take a look at the cars. First one, you got a Dodge 1974 Monaco, right, with the attached microphone, the Bluesmobile. The day I get out of prison, my brother picks me up in a cop car. And then the second car, what was it, 1970, that was 1975 Dodge Monaco 359 right there. What's interesting about these two slot cars is they're the new amp chassis from Auto World. It stands for Accelerated Modern Performance. And let me tell you, we tested out these new amp chassis and they are worth the hype. They improve the racing experience. All right, so let's take a look at the different layouts that this set has to offer. They recommend 3. We're gonna do this one today, the one that they recommend. What I like about this, oh, by the way, you're gonna need 33 by 84 table. So that's pretty much gonna take up this whole table. So you need some space because it's 28 feet of track. But anyways, going back out to the layouts, all right? I like the recommended one because it has 3 straightaways, and one of the main features of this track is this jump track right here, and it has a double helix. Danny knows I like the double helixes. I think they're fun, right? This layout looks like a lot of turns. It hurt my neck, right? But that's the layouts. These are the cardboard cutouts to kind of get the theme for the Blues Brothers. You have Ray Charles's music shop, the East 95th Street Bridge, which is where the jump track is, right? We're gonna do it like in the movie and jump the track. All right, you have the Chicago skyline right here with the Willis Tower as the centerpiece. You have St. Helens Orphanage, where the boys grew up and got slapped a rot. And then you have these 2 highway signs that just have goofy names. Nothing there. Anyways, that's what the layout is. The only things that really stick out that are different from other sets is the jump track, squeeze track, and the amp chassis. Those are the new features, and let me tell you, that's what will make it, all right? So now that I've talked about it, we're gonna set it up, and Danny's gonna help me do it. All right, guys, we've got the Blues Brothers 106 Miles to Chicago. I wonder where that is. I'm not sure. I really like this track. This is a well thought out track. For me, I like the straightaways, okay? What's really cool about this track is, you start off here, you got to turn, double helix, right? So you got to kind of slow down, but you have to pick it up. You have to get enough speed to make this jump. I've tried it a few times. If you slow down, if you're not fast enough, you will not make the jump. Speed is the key on this one right here. But, Auto World's clever, right? They know that you got to speed up for that, but you got the squeeze track right here before this turn, right? So just as you're speeding up, you got to let off the throttle because you got to slow down to make it through this, right? And then you're back at it, another straightaway. So, it's press down and then press down again, slow down, press down, right? And then slow down. So you just got to time it up just right on this track. And it's a decent sized track, 28 feet, 33 by 84 table. I told you it would take up most of the table. But you have the 2 amp chassis. Come here, take a look at this real quick. All right. So this is Auto World's new amp chassis, Accelerated Modern Performance. It's a CAN motor. Everyone says more surface area is better, but it doesn't matter if you're making a connection, right? So that's perfect right there, right? The better design, less drag in my opinion, right? So, you know, pickup shoes add drag to the slot car, right? But they're crucial for connection to power the DC motor. All right, what Auto World did is they made them smaller, but they have more contact and so less drag. And you'll see that, right? So if with an old, I mean, just look at how fast they go. They live up to their name. Accelerated Modern Performance. See, it gets me every time, right? Accelerated Modern Performance, right? It's a great name for this new design. Accelerated, right? Because the speed is fast, right? That went all the way off the table, bro. Where'd she go? All right, this is top heavy, man. When I first started doing this, here's a quick tip. This microphone helps you, this megaphone helps you make that jump. I think that's by design, right? Look at this, right? This is no joke, okay? Let Danny made him a little mess right there. Look at this, all right? I'm gonna make the jump. Oh, if I make it to the jump. All right, first try. See, I made the jump, no problem. I'll do it again. If I make it to the helix, so top heavy, the helix is gonna be trouble right there, right? But it's like I make the jump every single time, all right? Now let's try with the other car. Right, I get better control. I might not get better control in the helix. But I have trouble making, I made the jump that time. There we go. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Dodge Monaco 359. All right. So we'll keep going. Double helix, straight away, jump. See, it gets me, right? Because you had right here is get it together or you're gonna crash, right? And AutoWord did that on purpose. They know how to make a good set. You know, that's what I like about AutoWorld is there's more diversity in the product, so you get fun sets like this, right? They're willing to try new ideas and just kind of be the life of the party. What track am I in? I'm in this track. All right, let's try it again, guys. Ooh, I made it. I made it. Oh, see? So you're gonna have problems. These are your three main areas of issues. The double helix, the jump, and the squeeze, right? And that's really where you gotta, I mean, if Danny made a better double helix, man. Tell you what. Am I in the wrong lane? I'm in the wrong lane. It's not, oh look. I don't know if you can see.
Can I race with you?
Yeah, you can race with me. I was wondering when you were coming in. All right, ready? You prepared to lose? All right.
I just love the bridge.
I like it too. Reminds me of Chicago, actually.
I hope we get some good shots of jumping the jump and coming down the track.
All right, you get a few
my gosh,
practice.
these things are
yeah,
so
I know,
fast.
they're fast. They live up to their name.
Oh.
You gotta go speed. Speed is a key on the jump.
Here, scooch over a little bit
All right,
so
how
I can
much?
get a better.
All right, I'm gonna get.
Nope.
Speed is
Probably we
key.
should both get at it. Holy cow, that was so quick. Oh, I did it! Oh, wait, when I?
Which one? That one, yeah.
Oh,
I should have rammed him right
You
there.
should've.
I had my opportunity. I made it. Oh, I died.
No. Okay.
It's that
So
jump.
I'm running from you, so I gotta stay ahead of you.
Oh yeah.
Right? Isn't that what you haven't
Yeah.
told me much about the movie? I don't know much about the movie.
Oh, the movie. So the movie is just full of the craziest car crashes you've ever seen, and it's just fascinating. That imagine that amount of craziness in a set. I mean, they really did a good job. Haha, I made it. Oh, I died. It's that squeeze track. Gets me every time, bro. Oh, see?
Oh, see.
You got I felt the heat and I just went for it. You gotta slow down. All right, hold on a minute, let's go. Let me see. Get the guide pin right. All right, ready?
Okay, yep, try getting me. Why is he even running?
Oh!
For loud music or what?
So in the movie, they were promoting their band, and so they bought that. And in that scene, there was a certain political group from Illinois, and he's like, man, I hate blank Illinois, you know. Anyways, I can't say it on TV, but then they rammed into him.
Oh, I got it. You got it too.
Yeah,
Are we figuring it out?
Yeah, I'm figuring it out. This is an addictive set, right? Because just when you're getting good, you got to relearn the layout, right? And at first, it was the jump, but then we were having trouble all the time on the double helix, right? So it was like, okay, I got to learn this, and I wasn't thinking about that, but now I'm thinking about this all the time, and I'm not thinking about that, right? So my final thought is it's worth it. 28 feet, right? This is a track you'll enjoy for a long time. You and your friends will have a great time. And that's all I really got to say. So, from Magic Mack with ProTinkerToys, right? Don't forget, all right, hook us up, right? To like, share, and subscribe. It helps us out. We're only in business because of great support from viewers like you.